Reason I designed these bedding spreaders, it used to be my job to do the bedding. When we had corn fodder that was baled too wet, you end up with these paver bricks that you lay out. And heifers come in and sort of tear it around. But when you clean out, then you see these dry spots yet. Develop the bedding spreaders. It takes less bedding, up to 25% less bedding, because you're tearing it apart, using all of it. You won't see those dry spots when you're cleaning out. We stock these in skid loader quick attach. We also build to order for telehandler and any other custom quick attach that you need. If you're in Eastern Pennsylvania, within a 2-hour radius from us, we'll be happy to bring one out for you to try. If you want to order, or if you're local and want to demo one, give me a call on my cell phone. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have.